The water spot killer, why you should use it and how it's gonna save you time.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano.
Hey everybody, David Elliott here from Pearl Nano and calling all detailers. And today we're talking about the water spot killer. Have you guys used this product? Not only is it an awesome water spot remover for glass and paint, it's also a really good wheel cleaner. And if you have the boar hair brush, use it on all the emblems, trim, and hard to reach areas, especially like mildew, mold, and dirt in all the cracks and crevices. I tell you, a lot of the detailers tell me it saves them about 20 minutes per car on getting all that grime out of there. Don't let it dry. Don't use it in the sun. Get it on and get it off with clean water or even soap and water. So again, the water spot killer is more than just a water spot removal tool. It works great on glass, great on paint to take off water spots, but it's also an amazing emblem and wheel cleaner. So try it yourself, see what you think. I'm sure it's going to save you time and effort in the prep work of your detailing job. If you have any questions, email them me at dave@pearlnano.com or call me directly, 808-779-7163, and we'll see you on the next video.
Calling all detailers, gather round the light. Pearl Nano shining, every surface looking right. Pro grade coatings only, built for those who know. Crafting glossy